I used to think I was too much. Too many questions, too much feeling, too many thoughts that wouldn't turn off at night. So I learned to shrink, to laugh a little softer, to need less than I actually needed. I told myself if I could just be easier, simpler, someone would finally stay. No. But the ones who left weren't leaving because I was too much. They were leaving because I wasn't the one they were ready for. And I spent so long apologizing for my depth, I forgot depth was never the problem. You are not hard to love. You are just waiting for someone patient enough to learn you. The right person won't need a manual, but they will read carefully. Your depth is not a burden. It is a door only the right person will know how to open gently. Stop apologizing for needing more than the surface. You were built for a love that goes all the way down. I'm still learning to believe that, but some nights I almost do. Save this, and when you're ready, we'll be here.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
you.